Hour by hour, I am getting healthier, clearer, and happier as my body cleanses itself. Fasting cleans my body of all toxins. I fully release toxins from my body and my mind as I fast. Fasting improves my emotional and mental health. I detox with ease. My body is becoming happier as I fast. I fast from negativity and toxins in my environment, as well as fasting from food. I choose a healthier, happier me. I am reclaiming my health and well-being. Fasting clears my mind to be more energetic, productive, happy, and centered. Healing accelerates in my body as I fast hour by hour. Fasting is easy. Fasting makes me feel very clear in all ways. Fasting is becoming so easy for me. Fasting makes me super productive. I feel very alive and emotionally peaceful as I fast. I release negative thoughts and emotions easily as I fast. Fasting allows my body to rest and rejuvenate itself. It's an act of love towards my body. I release all physical impurities. I am mentally strong and I fast easily. I love the taste of water. It quenches my thirst and purifies my body. Fasting shows me I am in total control of the choices I make. I love my body and I'm caring for it. I am mentally, spiritually, and emotionally clear. It's easy for me to abstain from food. I easily find things to do with all the extra time and energy I have. Fasting gives my body abundant energy. I feel as if every cell in my body is radiating with happiness. My body is purifying itself. My body is a miracle. Fasting releases endorphins, and I feel very happy. I love the mental clarity I receive while fasting. Fasting helps me easily overcome any addictive behaviors or negative thinking. I have an improved quality of sleep. I feel rested and energetic. My body is releasing old, damaged cells. My brain is becoming more resistant to stress. Fasting reduces stress, reduces anxiety, and even depression. This gets easier and easier each time I begin a new fast. My body has turned into a fat-burning machine. Fasts are easy and fun for me. My body is burning existing excess fat reserves as a source of energy, and I feel amazing. I always listen to my body when it tells me to end a fast. I am more in tune with my body's signals and what my body communicates to me, and I listen carefully. I am calm and I am centered. I know I can begin a new fast again as soon as I want. Fasting feels good in my mind, body, and spirit.